see is a blank slate. We're going to be talking about, get ready. How can Mrs. Cruz write on this? I could do a text feature too, but I like to draw. So we're going to be learning a little bit about place value and how it's going to help us solve problems. That's right. So it's not just enough just to know your tens and ones. Everybody knows their tens and ones. Well, what can you do with them? That's our question. How are they going to help you? So we're going to learn how to add and maybe even a little subtraction using your tens and ones. So let's give a couple of examples, all right? And then we can unmute and see what your thoughts are. So hang tight. Let me erase this. Oh, clear it. Clear everything. Okay, so what are we doing? We're talking about place value. Now, place value is what is the value of each number in its place. That's right. So how much is this worth? How much is that number worth? If you have an understanding of place value, you'll know how much each number is truly worth. Here's an example. This was something, oops, I have the wrong one. I had in my first grade class like a couple of years ago. So I had this number on the board and I had a student come up, right? And they said, and I asked them the question, what is the value of the 3? Do you know what they said? 3. And I said, 3 what? 3 potatoes? 3 chickens? 3 fish? What is the value? And they said, well, it's 3 tens. And I said, yes, I understand. It is 3 tens because we learned how to do a T-chart with my tens and, ready for it, my baby ones. Wah, wah. So they knew that there were 3 tens. Yes, got that. But what is the value? What is it truly worth? And they had to stop and think about it. They had to get up. They had to run to the back of the room. They had to go get 3 tall 10 rods. And then they had to draw a model. And after all that, you know what they told me? Oh, I get it, Mrs. Cruz. 3 tens really means 30. That's right. If I were to get rid of the 6 baby ones, this number, 3 tens, really truly means 30. However, there are not 30 tens. That would be like thousands. I don't want to count that much. I only see 3 tall tens and 6 baby ones. Let's draw our baby ones just so we have them. Yeah, they're horrible ones, but there they are, my cute little baby ones. Okay, so now we understand what value is. It just means what each number is worth. Like I said to you guys before, our lesson really quickly is using place value to add on to a number. Okay, here comes my next example. Remember, I'm just going to do a couple quick examples, then I'm going to unmute you and you are going to share with me your thoughts. And then we'll do our Kahoot and then you'll be done. Okay, so here we go. Now, let's pretend that Joshua had 22 crazy chickens in his backyard. Okay. And so, I don't know, all of a sudden, Prisha decides to come over on his birthday and give him 5 more chickens. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of chickens. Now let's stop and think about this. There are a bunch of different strategies. You can go get 22 cubes and 5 more, right, Adeline? What's another strategy we might use? Anybody who wants to tell me a strategy to solve this problem of how many chickens? Siddharth, go ahead. What should I do?
If you take away the first 2 and 2 plus 5 equals 7.
Oh, you're talking about place value. High five. Good work. Nice job. So place value is what you are about to learn along with Siddharth. What's another way? Julian, have a seat. Tell me, how else could you solve this problem? Could you do something else? Could you use a number?
Line?
Yeah, you could use a number line. Go to 22 on your number line and count how many more jumps. Julian, how many more jumps?
You can use a number bond.
Yeah, you could use a number bond for sure. Thank you. Thank you, Jules. Hey, Jaden, what do you think? What else could we do?
You can count with your fingers.
Yes. Could you put some in your head first? Yeah. Could you count on from a certain number?
Yes.
What could you start with? Which number would you start with? 22 or 5?
22.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes. Like Johnny, do you agree? Could we put 22 in our head? Yeah, let's try it. 22 in my head and count 5 more. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so we have 27 we can count on. Those are great strategies. Anybody have any other strategies we might use? What about manipulatives? What about drawing dots? Ooh, look at that. Abdul, that's awesome. Drawing your dots. I love it. Very good, guys. Fantastic. But now we are going to talk about place value. So remember that Siddharth said he mentioned that we could count our ones. Well, what does that mean, Mrs. Cruz? Well, I'll tell you what that means. There are 2 tall tens and 2 baby ones. How many are in the number 5? Adeline, let's look. If we draw a T-chart, are there any tall tens in the number 5? No. How many crying baby ones do we have? Yes. So what do you know? Look at this, Abdul. This is so cool. Watch. Abdul, look over here quick. I need your eyeballs. Hi. Okay, so we're going to add the ones together like Cedar. So everybody take your crying baby 5 and add 2 more crying babies. How many crying baby ones do we have? 5 and 2 is how many, guys? Yes.
How many?
7 baby ones. 2
7.
and 5. We just added our ones together, our baby crying ones. Now let's add our tens together. Siddharth, how many tens do we have in the first number?
2.
Yep. And how many in our second number?
0.
Right. So how many all together? What's 2 plus
7.
nothing?
Plus 0 equals
2 plus 0 is still 2. So what is my final answer, everybody? Let's read it.
27.
Yes. So using place value, you could add your ones together and your tens together from each number, and you will find the sum of those two. Okay. Is it the most efficient strategy? Yes. When we get to big numbers, it really is helpful because you'll line up your numbers and add them by place value. Let's see if anybody recognizes this crazy thing from the end of first grade. You haven't been there yet, but you might recognize it because it's coming. Let's see. I want you to, let me see. I want you to touch your shoulders. If this looks familiar to you, are you ready? Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Don't look away. Don't look away. Did you look away? Does this look the same to you? Does anybody recognize this? Anyone? Have you ever seen this happen before in real life? Watch. How many baby ones? 3 plus 4 is 7. How many tall tens? 2 plus 2 is 4. What's my final answer, Johnny?
47.
That's right. We did our
Big
tall
number.
tens and our baby
47.
ones. Very good. So that is something that we're headed toward. This is what you're going to be doing is lining up or learning how to add by place value. Each number in each place needs to be added together And then you can add the other place value numbers and you'll find the sum. We can also do this with subtraction. So let's clear all the drawings and then we'll do our Kahoot. We're almost done, guys. Let's stop and look at this at that problem one more time. Let's say we had 2 tall 10s and how many baby ones? Was that 4? And we added 2 more 10s. Look at my tall teenage 10s. And let's see how we had 3 baby ones, right? Oh, does this look familiar now? Let's draw our T-chart so we know where to put our values in. Guys, you can do this on a piece of paper too. Add your baby ones, Prisha. How many do we have? 1. Tell me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? When we add all our baby,
4.
all of them together, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. Look at our baby ones. Count them all up. We're adding all our ones.
43.
No, I don't have 43 baby ones. That would be a lot of circles on my page. Count the baby ones. Look at they're crying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
7. Put him over here in the baby crying section. There he is in the ones place. There are 7 babies. Okay, let's see. Who wants to give me this? Joshua, how many tall 10s do you see? Just count the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tall 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my final answer? This is just like the other problem we did. 2 10s and 2 10s equal 4 10s, and 4 plus 3 baby ones is 7. Our answer is 47. Okay, but wait a minute. We also said we could do this with subtraction. Oh, I don't know if you're ready for this. Let's pretend you had 47. Here it is, Abdul. Check it out. Look at my screen. Look at it. Don't look away. The screen might run you over. All right, here we go. What if Abdul came along and said, I have 4 10s and 7 baby ones, but Jaden wants 3 of my baby ones. What are we going to do? Hiya! Bashvik, take that off. Hiya! Hiya! What's left? Adeline, how many 10s are still there?
4.
That's right. How many baby ones are left, Joshua?
44.
That's our 4 baby ones. And the final answer, the value of 4 10s and 4 baby ones is 44. We just did subtraction. That's right. Does that look right? Yeah. That would look like this. 40, what was it? 47 minus 3. Yes. So 7 baby ones minus 3 is 4 baby ones. You will practice this. Don't worry. You are not expected to know this immediately today. And then 10s. 4 take away no 10s is still 4. Woohoo! We did it. Okay. We're going to Kahoot. Are you guys ready? Yeah, me too. So, oh, I see a lot of chats. Oh, your answers are in there. Okay. All right. So let's move over to our quick Kahoot. I even took a little too long today. So it'll go fast. There's only 5 questions. So let me get your code. And can't wait to see how you do. It's thinking. We're going to do our PIN number is, and you can join at www.
Where's the Kahoot? How to get in the Kahoot?
I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you right now. www.kahoot.it. That's IT. Or you have a Kahoot app that's on your phone. And all you have to do is enter in your game PIN, which is at the top of my screen. 1782578. Ooh, Abdul's in. Bashvik, Adeline. Hey, Adeline, do you say Adeline or Adeline? How do you say your name? Oh, fix your.
Addie, but you can call me whatever you want. I don't care.
I love it. Can I call you Pumpkin? Yeah. All right, Pumpkin.
Let's play Kahoot.
I like Addie. That's nice too. All
Learning
right.
games, making
Siddharth is
learning
in.
awesome. Which one is it?
Jaden's in. Julian, are you looking for it?
www. Right?
It's www. Can you see it on my screen? Kahoot.it. Vashvik, please. You're so silly. Hi, Johnny.
Do you realize
If it won't let, yeah, you might have a slow connection. So here's Johnny.
www. Did you notice I'm in the gallery?
Johnny, what you can do is you can just write your answers and hold it up to the screen and I'll notice. All right, guys, let's get started. We're all in. Okay, using place value or one of the other.
No, stop. I'm not in it.
Julian, you're screaming at me. You can join at any time. Okay. All right, so you have a whole minute to do this one. Looking at your tens and ones, we have added 3 extra baby ones to your original value. We had 3 tens and 5 ones, and we're going to add 3 more baby ones using your greatest strategy. Can you tell me the sum
What's
of
the game pin?
35 plus 3? Oh, the game pin is down at the bottom of my screen now. 178 2578. Woohoo! Look at that. Everybody got it right. 178 2578. 2578. Okay. Wow. You guys are so good at place value. Let's do another one. Oh my goodness. You're all pretty much right at the top. Okay. Number 2. Oh, look at that. Are we adding tens or ones? Let's see. We had 3 tens and now we're adding 5 more tens and 6 baby ones. What is 30 plus 56? Choose your best answer. All you have to do is count your tens and your baby ones all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tall tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baby ones. Which one matches all those tens that are added together in the baby ones? 10, 9. Wow, you guys are the greatest. That's correct. If you counted all your tens and ones, that was 3 tens and 5 tens plus 6 baby ones. You got 86. Let's look at the scores. 3 more questions. Abdul, woohoo, look at you. All right, let's do this one. 2 tens and 3 ones. I had 23 pickles. And Addie gave me 6 more. How many pickles do I have? All you have to do is count the tens and the baby ones. Siddharth, you already picked your answer, didn't you? Yeah, you're so fast. Awesome. Okay, and we have everybody's right. Oh my goodness, this is the greatest class in the world. Yes, and you can also do 23 in your head and count 6 more. That's easy too. It looks like this: 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh, 29. Okay. But using place value, it is so easy. Wow. Awesome job. Oh, Siddharth's on fire. Look out. Okay, here comes the next one. 2 more questions. Let's see. Joshua had 71 Pokemon cards. And he gets 4 more? What's the value of 4? Is that 4 ones or 4 tens? 4 millions. 71 plus 4. Gosh, that's an easy one, isn't it? Yeah. If you said 75, you got it right. How could we do that? We could do it 2 ways, easy peasy. 71 in your head and count 4 more. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Or we could just count 7 tens.
This is our last question, Miss Cruz.
Boshvik, don't unmute. Or we could do 71 would be 7 tens, and then look at the baby ones. 1 plus 4 is 5, right? So 5 baby ones. Okay, last one. Here we go. Oh, he's rising up fast. Okay, last question, and then I'm going to let you go. 42 plus 30. Let's see. Abdul had $42. And Prisha gave him 30 more. Look at the tens and ones. All you have to do is count the tens and the baby ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tall tens. And ooh, which number matches? Looking at the other answers. Oh, I don't know. I don't see 5 baby ones. See the number 45 at the bottom? I don't see 5 babies. I only see 2. So I don't think that could be the answer. Huh. Okay, we're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. If you got 72, you got it right. Remember when we looked at the tens and ones? There were 4 tens and 3 tens. That's 7 tens. There were a lot more than 4 tens. The number 45 has 4 tens and 5 baby ones. That can't be the right answer because we had more than that. We had 7 tens. The only one that matches that is this one, and it had 2 baby ones. So the only number that would match would be the red one, 72. 7 tens, 2 baby ones. Okay, we're done. You're gonna see the scores, and then we're gonna say goodbye, okay? And who's this? Woohoo! So good, everybody. You all rock. I'm proud of every single one of you. So I will see you tomorrow for science. It's going to be awesome. There's a time to climb. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.